just want to say that this is the year to really stop putting up with other people's BS. All those things in your life that are blocking you or distracting you or preventing you from living your true potential, it's not going to work out so well this year. You're not going to be able to put up with it so much. There's a lot of intense energy this year where, you know, all those distractions and static and noise and, you know, people who are trying to crush your dreams, it's going to feel really icky. It's going to feel really hard, okay? We're going to want to try and just like explode with too much of it. So we have to set our boundaries because this is really a time for you to embrace all those things that you really want to do in your life. And maybe you're tired of other people's bullshit getting in the way. You're tired of people degrading you to some capacity, or you're tired of friends who don't respect you or respect your time in a sort of way. And it's time to, you know, put up those boundaries, put up that wall for once, and give yourself the recognition and the respect that you deserve, because it's such an important time, okay? So many years can go by and we realize we're repeating the same patterns, we're doing the same old things, but this is different, okay? This year is going to be different for you, no matter what your resolution was or whatnot. Just think about it. This year has a lot of intense energy. It's the year of the dragon, so it's the year of wood, so there's a lot of like force behind it. So you're going to realize that those things in your life and those in your world and the people in your world, it's time to weed out, okay? And start really filling your world with more positive things versus the toxic things, because the toxic things are going to get on your nerves more intensely. They're going to get on your nerves more intensely, and they're going to build up, and you're going to get frustrated not only with other people but also with yourself. And you're going to get frustrated that you can't reach your goals or do those things that you've wanted to do because you have a lot of interruptions. Okay, so it's okay to put up your shield, put up your sword, embrace the metal within you, and really protect yourself, protect your energies, because you need to tap into that energy, not have other people take it away from you. That's going to be super important for this year, is tapping into that extra energy that we're offered this year, and not wasting it. Not wasting it on other people's problems, not wasting it on putting our attention on other people's problems. Really, you know, getting down to the basics, okay? And that doesn't mean, you know, cutting people completely out, stuff like that, but it does mean protecting yourself. Again, it does mean, you know, limiting exposure to certain things so that you have the reservoir, you have the reserves, you have the energy to really meet your potential, to really power yourself up. So anyway, on that note, I believe in you, I trust in you, and don't let people bring you down. Just don't let people bring you down anymore. You know, enough is enough, right? Don't let the world bring you down. It's all a matter of perception, as we know. You know, it's a mirror reflecting back to us. Don't let minute things bring you down. Don't let them take that precious energy away from you, because, you know, our own energy is precious and we should guard it. We should guard it so that we can use it for things to benefit the world, okay? Not only benefit us and how we're feeling, but to benefit the world and make it a better place. So on that note, have a great day. Subscribe if you haven't done so. I put out new videos every single week for you on all kinds of cool topics: self-cultivation, Chinese medicine, yin yang, 5-element stuff, non-5-element stuff, you name it. So I will see you on the next one. Peace.